Hi friends, this is your lesson 36 exit ticket. So we've talked a lot about subtraction sentences, okay? And we know that a number bond can be used to help you write a number sentence. So you're going to look at these three number bonds. The first thing you need to do is fill in the missing part, okay? So here's your hole up here. Here's one of your parts. You need to fill in the missing part. Then what I want you to do is write the two subtraction sentences that match this number bond. Okay, you should have learned in your learning video that you can create two different number sentences using a number bond. So once you've filled in that missing part, write the two subtraction sentences that match the number bond. If you are confused on what you need to do, go back and watch the learning video again so that you know how you can create two subtraction sentences using your number bond.